Good morning, France. I am CP George, Deputy C, retired from KCBL. Are you concerned about the safety in your distribution network? Are you confused about the neutral voltage in your installations? Are you worried about the voltage fluctuations from the distribution supply system? Are you frustrated about the accidents from the snapped conductors in the distribution system? Are you confused about the quality, reliability and safety of the distribution supply system you are involved with? These are some of the nagging problems we are facing in supply of electricity. This webinar and panel discussion by Engineers Association is an attempt to make clarity about the relevance of earthing on such matters. The term earthing is used for many functions in electrical engineering practice. It can be considered as one of most complex single function which have greater relevance in deciding the safety, quality, reliability and even the viability of generation, transmission, distribution and utilization of electricity. This presentation will cover the different systems of practice in distribution earthing. We have system earthing, that is neutral earthing, and equipment earthing, that is safety earthing, as basic functional classification in the practice of earthing. The International Electrotechnical Commission (IEC) generally classified the systems of earthing practices as TN system, TT system, and IT system in supply of electricity. The choice of the earthing system depends on the desirable level of protection and safety requirement in handling electricity, and the type of protection and safety systems need to be devised accordingly. As such, it is important that the choice of the system need to be specific and unambiguous to ensure safety in handling electricity and to ensure quality and reliability to the consumers. The international standard IEC 60364 or Indian standard IS 3043 distinguishes three families of earthing arrangements using the two-letter codes TN, TT and IT. The first letter indicates a connection between earth and power supply equipment, that is generator or transformer. T denotes direct connection of a point with the earth, the first letter of the French word terre. I denotes no point is connected with the earth, the first letter of the French word isolé, except perhaps via high impedance. The second letter indicates the connection between earth or network and the electrical device being supplied. T, the earth connection is by local direct connection to earth, usually via a ground rod. N denotes the earth connection is supplied by the electricity supply network, either separated to the neutral conductor, that is TNS, combined with the neutral conductor, that is TNC, or both TNCS. In India, we have mandatory regulations specified by Central Electricity Authority CEA and Code of Practice specified by Bureau of Indian Standards. Accordingly, we have safety standards and construction standards specified by Central Electricity Authority, which is mandatory for every stakeholders in India. In India, we have three important code of practices which is to be followed while handling electricity. They are IS 3043, the Code of Earthing Practice, IS 15707, the Code of Practice for Testing, Evaluation, Installation and Maintenance of AC electricity meters, IS 732, the Code of Practice for electrical wiring installations.